Hello and welcome to the Rule 37 video. Rule 37 focuses on distress signals. Rule 37 states that when a vessel is in distress and requires assistance, she shall use or exhibit the signals described in Annex 4 to these regulations. Now this rule is a really easy and straightforward rule, and I'm sure you're very confident in being able to identify what these signals are that vessels that are in distress may exhibit. Now let's review some of the most common ones to refresh your memory. The first one would be red safety flares or parachute flares. These flares are effective in both day and night. They can use smoke flares. These will only be used during daylight hours because they do not have any illumination. They could use the flare gun to fire flares into the sky. These are also very effective during day or night. They could be waving their arms to attract another vessel's lookout's attention. They could place a mayday call on the radio, and they could set off their EPIRB. Now this is a really short one and really an easy one to really understand. I'm sure everybody is very confident with these distress signals, but it's very important to cover it because if you're ever out on the water and you see a vessel giving these distress signals, that you immediately go and assist them. Now I want to personally congratulate you for completing all 37 videos in the International Rules of Navigation. When I started this series, my intent was to really help people fully understand these rules that we're going through this content and make it real easy for them to understand the material, absorb it, learn it, and prepare them for when they took their final exam. You know, when I decided to make the change and go from working in corporate America to making a life where I'm making a living on the water, I remember how excited I was when I took the test, I passed it, and I obtained my captain's license, because at that point I knew that the dream was becoming a reality. And hopefully this series of videos can really help bring that excitement and joy to you when you obtain your captain's license and you start a new and exciting chapter in your life chasing your dream. Always remember that nothing in your life is out of reach. The sky is the limit and nothing can stop you from chasing your dream. I want to thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in your endeavors.